Hello friends, a very warm welcome to all of you. We are back with another edition of Auto Wholesale Volume Analysis, this time for the month of Jan 2021. Now to put it simply, we can say that it was a continuation of growth and optimism that we have been seeing for the past few months. So some of the key takeaways for the month. Firstly, CVs saw some green shoots, especially in the sequential performance, that is month-to-month performance. This is because economic activity is picking up across infrastructure-related sectors. It was a mixed bag for CVs, no doubt, but the gloom is hopefully behind us. For two-wheelers, premium and commuter motorcycles fared better than entry-level bikes. Scooter sales also picked up as urban markets have started gaining momentum. For three-wheelers, there was nothing much special. Demand continued to be weak in India as preference for public transport is still low. However, the bright spot was that exports saw some revival as African markets have started gaining strength. Now, among the PVs, SUVs were the preferred sub-segment, with Creta and Venue from Hyundai and Vitara Brezza from Maruti taking the top three spots. So let's dive a bit deeper and look at what the numbers had to reveal. Firstly, for two-wheelers, rural demand continued to hold steady. However, there was a push from urban areas which helped sales. Higher demand for scooters was seen as Ntorq and Jupiter from TVS and Activa from Honda saw better sales. Bajaj also saw good traction for its Pulsar 125cc and premium bikes from KTM and Husqvarna. The shift in preference towards scooters and higher-end motorcycles was clearly visible. However, this worked to the disadvantage of Hero, which has its strength in entry-level bikes and yet to make a mark in the scooters. For three-wheelers, nothing special on the domestic front. There were some encouraging signs from the African markets which helped volumes somewhat. Now, in case of passenger vehicles, demand was strong, especially in the sports utility vehicles, that is SUVs. Over the past few months, OEMs have introduced new variants of existing models to attract buyers. Maruti and Mahindra faced supply chain issues, leading to weak wholesales for the month. Mahindra was also affected by a shortage of microprocessor semiconductors. Now, this shortage is a global phenomenon and has affected many companies across sectors. For commercial vehicles, it was a mixed bag, like we said. While Ashok Leyland and Volvo Eicher saw strong momentum, M&M, Tata Motors and SML Isuzu exhibited weakness. For M&M, again, like we explained, it was the semiconductor issue that affected them, and pickup was seen in infrastructure projects, construction, mining, road building and cement. Experts and channel checks suggest that the worst could be over for the CV industry and we could be at the cusp of a new upcycle. Finally, tractors, their dream run continued. Strong Rabi acreage, Kharif procurement, high reservoir levels and cash in the hands of farmers stimulated tractor demand. The sector is expected to clock 15 to 18% volume growth in the coming year. Lastly, we have outlined the new launches for 2021. The ones that you see on the screen are only indicative and certainly not exhaustive. So there's a lot to look forward to in 2021. Stay tuned for more. Bye-bye and have a good day. Thank you.